Hi everyone, many make a critical mistake when designing questionnaires. They pick the wrong type and then struggle to analyze the data in SPSS. Before we dive in, let's define a questionnaire. A questionnaire is a research tool with sets of organized questions used to collect data from respondents. Let's start with structured questionnaire. A structured questionnaire has fixed predefined answers. That means respondents can only pick from options we provide. Examples: yes or no, multiple choice like study hours. Then we also have linear scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Why use a structured questionnaire? It is easy to code for SPSS, easy to analyze statistically, works perfectly for quantitative research. So if your research requires charts, regression, or SPSS tables, always use a structured questionnaire. When to use a structured questionnaire? Structured questionnaires are best used if your research is quantitative, you plan to analyze in SPSS, you have many respondents, or you want fast and accurate statistical results. Let me be clear, if you plan to analyze your data in SPSS, structured questionnaire is the safest option, period. Now, an unstructured questionnaire is different. Here, respondents answer in their own words. There are no fixed options. Examples: what challenge do you face with using social media? Another example: explain your experience with data analysis. This is mostly for qualitative research where you want detailed opinions and experiences. The challenge though, open-ended responses are hard to analyze in SPSS because they are text-based and can't be coded easily. Now, let's compare both types of questionnaire. Structured questionnaire, we have fixed responses, easy to code, works for SPSS, and good for quantitative research. While for unstructured questionnaire, opened responses, hard to code, difficult in SPSS, and best for qualitative research. Choose based on your research method, not what you feel like using. In my next video, I will show you step-by-step ways to design a structured questionnaire in Microsoft Word. You don't want to miss it, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Give this a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.